So hello guys, welcome to this tool. So as I said in my last video that I'll be making a video on how to make a type form. So it is far better than a Google form and it looks quite attractive and you can make it for free. So without wasting any time, let's get started. For that, first go into a browser and search for Typeform, and then I will be logging in with my Google account. And now you can see that for the free account you can make 3 Typeforms. So I've already made 2. So this is the Typeform that I showed in the last video. If you haven't checked it out, go check it out. The link is coming. So I'll have just share the link down below. You can have a look over it. So now we'll be making a Typeform like this. So for that, go to your dashboard and create a new Typeform. So there will be a ton of templates. Select the one which suits you the best. So let me choose one. I'll be choosing this online event registration form and I'll be editing it. So you can change the background picture and everything out over here, and the questions also. For now I'll be keeping the background image the same. You can change the settings of the questions. You can change the image on behind of every question. So now let's edit these questions. So I'll be keeping these questions the same. Here you can add the yes or no options also in the questions. You can add multiple choice questions. So I'll be showing you by adding a question. So to add a question, go to this plus sign, and here you get a multiple number of options. You can add the phone number question. So I'll be choosing that. So you write your mobile number over here, and then you can add the background image or you can duplicate it. So you can also change the question settings, means you can make it a required one. For now I'll be not making it a required one. You can add the description. You can also change the default country code. So here number of countries you are there, you can choose the one. For now I'll be choosing India. And yeah, this looks good for now. I know the background image doesn't look very much good, but you can change according to yours one. So you can also change the logic of the questions, means on typing the answer for a particular question you can redirect to a particular question. So you can change it from here. For now I won't be doing this. I'll be just cancelling it. And here are the designs, different templates you can add into it. Here are the email notifications. So using that email notifications, on every registration an email will be sent to your email account, and you can also make that to the person who is registering. So by clicking on the respondent notification you can switch it on, and on suppose you are filling out the form, then an email confirmation email will be sent to your email ID. So this is an amazing feature, you should try it out. And you can connect different softwares to it, Google Sheets, MailChimp, and a number of things are there, Google Analytics, Slack. So this is the shareable link. I'll be putting it down in the description box. You can check it out. Now we'll be publishing it. So yeah, it's published. It's very easy to publish. And yep, now we'll be just viewing it. So this is the results one we'll be seeing after we fill out the form. So we'll be pasting it on our browser, and yes, now we'll be filling out this form. So let's fill it out. So you have to fill the exact, means the email ID format. And yep, it's done. So guys, this is a random number, don't call in this number, it's not my number or anything like that. And now we'll be viewing the result. So let's go to the results tab, and yeah, you can see the detailed analysis and the summary and the responses. You can also download it and connect it with the Google Sheets also. So thank you for watching this video. If you like this, like, share and subscribe. And if you haven't checked out my previous videos, do check them out. So with that said, bye everyone.